How to sharpen a serrated knife. Prior starting up, select an appropriate size of sharpening tool, available in fine, coarse, ceramic and extra fine grits as per the condition of your knife. For most of the serrated knives, fine grit will provide sharpening at good rate and provides the sharp cutting edge. The extra fine and ceramic grits provides a polished edge. The coarse grits are generally used for dull serrated knife at greater sharpening rate. Serrated knife sharpener must match up to the narrow and wide serrations. To match, measure the overall length of the shaft of the sharpener to the size of the serrated knife. Hold the sharpener firmly in left hand and the serrated knife in the right hand, and now use some back, light, and short, fourth strokes to sharpen each of the serration edges which are beveled. After giving few strokes, stop it for some time to feel the raised burr on the blade backside. When you feel the raised burr, move on to the next section of the serrated knife and repeat the whole procedure until and unless the ground side of the knife is completely ground. Flip the serrated knife if all the serrations are sharpened separately. With a smooth, light stroke gently grind the remaining left-out areas off the knife. Do not sharpen the serrated knife backside. That's all. Your knife has been perfectly sharpened and is now ready to cut.